Now we're continuing with what we can cut in legal writing to make our writing more concise. This is skill number 2 of the 3 key skills masterclass. Take a look at this sentence. We learned in the last video that there are red flag words like respect, like regards, like said, like fact, that we can always pay attention to, and we'll know that those have associated phrases that we can remove. But what we can't remove is core information to the substance of the sentence. Again, don't change the meaning. So take a look at this sentence, and then in the activity below, go ahead and rewrite this sentence, cutting the legal jargon and making it more concise. I'll be back in the next video to share the results.